It is a beautiful day in the meadow. The sun is shining brightly, casting a warm and inviting glow over the entire landscape. The meadow is alive with vibrant colors, from the deep greens of the grass to the brilliant hues of the flowers that dot the field. Each petal seems to catch the light in a unique way, creating a dazzling display of nature's beauty. The sun is shining brightly. Its rays stretch across the meadow, illuminating every corner and bringing a sense of warmth and comfort. The sunlight filters through the leaves of the trees, casting dappled shadows on the ground below. It's the kind of day that makes you want to lie down in the grass and soak up the sun's rays. The sky is a clear blue, without a single cloud in sight. It's the perfect backdrop for the vibrant colors of the meadow. The blue sky stretches endlessly above, creating a sense of openness and freedom. It's a reminder of the vastness of the world and the beauty that can be found in even the simplest of places. The grass is green and lush, a testament to the health and vitality of the meadow. Each blade of grass stands tall and proud, swaying gently in the breeze. The grass is soft underfoot, inviting you to take off your shoes and feel the cool, refreshing sensation of nature beneath your feet. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves of the trees, creating a soothing, melodic sound. The trees sway gracefully, their branches dancing in the wind. The breeze carries with it the sweet scent of flowers and the earthy aroma of the grass, filling the air with a delightful fragrance. It's a sensory experience that brings a sense of calm and tranquility. A little rabbit hops through the tall grass, its movements quick and nimble. The rabbit pauses occasionally to nibble on a blade of grass or to look around, its ears twitching at the slightest sound. It's a charming sight, a reminder of the wildlife that calls the meadow home. The rabbit's presence adds to the sense of life and vibrancy in the meadow. A family of ducks waddles by a nearby pond, their movements synchronized and purposeful. The ducks quack softly to each other, communicating in their own unique way. The pond is a serene spot, its surface reflecting the blue sky and the surrounding greenery. The duck's presence adds a touch of whimsy to the scene, making it even more enchanting. Everything is peaceful and serene. The meadow is a haven of tranquility, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The sounds of nature, the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, the gentle breeze, create a symphony of calm. It's a place where you can relax, unwind, and reconnect with the natural world. This is a perfect day for photosynthesis. The abundant sunlight provides the energy that plants need to grow and thrive. The meadow is a living, breathing ecosystem, each plant and animal playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the beauty that can be found in the natural world.
Sunny the sun beams down on the meadow, casting his warm golden rays over the vibrant green field. The meadow awakens under his gentle touch, bathed in the bright sunlight that brings life to every corner. He is a giant ball of hot gas, burning brightly in the vast expanse of the sky. His light travels millions of miles to reach the earth, bringing warmth and energy to all living things. But he is also a friendly sun, always smiling down on the world below. His rays are like gentle hands caressing the leaves and flowers, encouraging them to grow and thrive. He loves to see the plants and animals grow. Good morning, Leafy. Good morning, little root, he calls out to the plants, his voice full of warmth and cheer. The plants respond by stretching their leaves towards him, eager to soak up his light. Are you ready to make some food today? He asks, knowing that his light is essential for photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their food. The plants nod in agreement, ready to begin their daily work of turning sunlight into energy. The flowers bloom under his watchful eye, their petals opening up to the light. Each blossom is a testament to the power of the sun, a small miracle that happens every day. The bees buzz around the flowers, collecting nectar and spreading pollen. Sunny the sun watches them with delight, knowing that his light helps the flowers produce the nectar that the bees need. Birds chirp and fly in the sunny sky, their songs filling the air with music. Sunny the sun listens to their melodies, feeling a sense of joy and fulfillment. His light not only helps the plants grow, but also brings happiness to the animals. A rabbit hops through the sunlit meadow, its fur glistening in the light. Sunny the sun smiles down at the rabbit, happy to see it enjoying the warmth of the day. Children play in the meadow, running and laughing under the bright sun. Their laughter is like music to Sunny the sun's ears. a reminder of the joy and energy that his light brings to the world. As the day comes to an end, Sunny the sun begins to set, his light slowly fading. The meadow is bathed in a warm golden glow, a final gift from the sun before he says goodnight. The stars begin to twinkle in the night sky, taking over the watch as Sunny the sun rests. He knows that he will rise again in the morning, ready to greet the meadow with his warm golden rays once more. And so, the cycle continues. Each day, Sunny the sun rises to greet the meadow, bringing light, warmth, and life to all who dwell there. His presence is a constant, a reminder of the beauty and wonder of the natural world.
Leafy is a bright green leaf, full of life and energy. She lives high up on a tall oak tree where she has a perfect view of the world below. Every day, she wakes up with the sun, ready to start her important job. On this tall oak tree, Leafy feels proud and happy. She loves her job because it is vital for the tree's survival. Without her and her fellow leaves, the tree wouldn't be able to grow strong and healthy. Her job is to make food for the tree through a process called photosynthesis. This is a big word, but it simply means that Leafy uses sunlight to create food. She takes in sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce oxygen and glucose, a type of sugar that the tree needs to grow. "Yes, Sunny, I'm ready to soak up your energy," Leafy says every morning as the first rays of sunlight touch her surface. She stretches out, eager to catch as much sunlight as possible. This energy is crucial for her to perform her job well. "I'm going to use it to make delicious sugar for the tree," she thinks to herself. This sugar is not just any sugar. It is the lifeblood of the tree. It travels through the tree's veins, nourishing every part from the roots to the highest branches. Leafy feels a sense of accomplishment knowing that her work helps the tree thrive. But sunlight isn't the only thing Leafy needs. She also absorbs water through her veins. This water comes from the roots of the tree, which draw it up from the soil. Leafy uses this water in the photosynthesis process, combining it with carbon dioxide from the air to create glucose and oxygen. Leafy has tiny pores on her surface called stomata. These stomata open and close to allow carbon dioxide to enter and oxygen to exit. It's like a little breathing system for the leaf. Through these pores, Leafy takes in the carbon dioxide she needs for photosynthesis and releases the oxygen that we all breathe. Thanks to Leafy and her hard work, the oak tree grows tall and strong. It provides shade, shelter, and food for many creatures in the forest. Birds build their nests in its branches, squirrels store their acorns in its nooks, and insects find a home in its bark. The entire forest ecosystem depends on trees like the oak and leaves like Leafy. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Without them, the forest wouldn't be the vibrant, lively place it is. So, next time you see a green leaf like Leafy, remember the important job it does. It's not just a simple leaf, it's a vital part of the tree's life and the entire ecosystem. Leafy is proud of her work, and she should be. After all, she's helping to keep the world green and beautiful.
Little Root is a tiny root. He lives underground. He is always busy sucking up water for the tree. I'm here to help, Leafy. I've been working hard all morning, bringing water up from the ground. The tree needs water for photosynthesis.
That's wonderful. My sunlight provides the energy you need for photosynthesis. It's like magic.
It is like magic. Your sunlight turns into chemical energy that we can use to make food.
But sunlight isn't the only thing we need. We also need carbon dioxide from the air.
That's right. We take in carbon dioxide through tiny holes called stomata on our leaves.
So what happens next? How do you turn sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into food?
We use the energy from sunlight to combine water and carbon dioxide. This creates a special kind of sugar called glucose. Glucose is our food.
That's amazing. But what about the oxygen? I know that's important too.
Ah yes, oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis. We release it into the air. Animals and humans need oxygen to breathe.